Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to talk about and teach you how you can build a website through GoDaddy. And it is a much impressive platform where you can create interesting, impressive and impactful website easily. So for that you just need to go to the godaddy.com, and this is actually their homepage. And here at the top side here you'll find, in the header section, you will find this websites and hosting. You can simply click on this drop down button here and simply click on website builder. Here you can see you will get a free trial for the first time, and I'm going to go with the free right now. And after that you might need to purchase the premium plan of GoDaddy. Now I'm going to simply click on start for free because I want to show you some demo. So here you can create an account with using your Facebook account or your Google account or your email. I'm going to get the Google account and simply click on Google account. Now select your Gmail and simply click on continue. After that you have to wait until it signs you in to GoDaddy. And after that, here you can see I have started the process. Now you have to go through these steps, the basic steps. Like this is type of inquiry about yourselves and your business, like what are some features your website needs, sell with an online store or book appointments online or something else. If you have an e-commerce site, then you can simply click on the sell with an online store, or if you have any digital product, then you can choose this type of thing that people can purchase your products online and they can enjoy it or experience that product in online. So or otherwise, if it's a blog or any type of portfolio website, then you can simply click on this something else. Now I'm going to click on that first one. Now continue. Now what kind of business do you have? So I'm going to search for my business. You can search for your business category from here. So I'm going to search for like t-shirt store, yeah, just like this, and simply click on continue. After that, now what should we call your business? So you have to enter your business name here. So I'm going to enter a business name, my business name here, that Grazers, that's Grazers Teas, yes, like this, and simply click on continue. And after that, how should people who visit your site contact you? So you have to enter some contact details that people can contact with you. So you have to enter the number. So I'm going to enter a number right now. After entering number, you have to simply click on continue, and then the next step will be tell us a little about your business. Now you have to enter a little description about your business. So like my company is a t-shirt supplier. We sell trending t-shirts among different generations, yes, just like this. So I'm going to simply click on continue. So like, yeah, now simply click on continue, and here you can see it is just type out my name or the company name here. Now it is just sending some custom content here. So it is actually a AI based content that you can use on your website. So here you can see it has just redirected me to the website builder, and it has just generated theme that are properly matched with our website. So from here, there you can find the plans here that you can purchase. You can purchase basic plan, standard, premium, or e-commerce plan here. So I'm going to continue for free right now. Now from here, what section would you like on your website? So if you can select which section you want, like buttons, I want buttons, and feature categories, just like this, and continue to my site here. Now after that, you can see this is actually my site here. So you can take a tour of your site here, so I'm going to skip that right now. So here you can just scroll all through your web page here. This is actually your home page, and this is actually your navigation section. This is a much unique thing that you can get here. That now from here you can edit each and every part that you want. So I want to edit this background image right now, so I'm going to get a image of mine here. Now I have a image, so I'm going to edit that image right now. So here in homepage you can simply click on that background image anywhere. Now after clicking on that, you can find that cover media. Now you can simply click on it, and here you'll find change image button here. Simply click on that change image button here, or you can find different types of image that actually offered by iStock. So you can get that, or you can add any type of other images here. So I'm going to add this image. Yes, now click on insert, and here you can see it has just added that image here just like this, and it's pretty much cool right now. So now let's edit this text section. You can edit each and every text from here. So just like this you can edit that text here. So I'm going to edit the text from here, like training t-shirt for every generation. Yes, and you can just delete that, and you can just edit that like every and you can also change the background. You can set the background color here. You can set this background like this, or you can also make it transparent from here. The background, actually we are in the background here right now. Now you from here in the website, you can go to the home page. You can select on this texture where you can just add some headings here. This is actually the headline, and from here you can add some paragraph. That is, this one is actually your paragraph here. Now social button, you can add some social button here. So you can simply click on it, and from here you can add LinkedIn, you can add TikTok account, you can add Pinterest account, Yelp, Discord, Twitch, Host, and Zing, and also the Facebook. So you can simply click on enable social media icons. So it will just allow or add some social media icons, so you can enter the link of your account, social media account, from here. Now let's talk about this section here. Like the first one is website, that will help you to set up or customize your website. The second one is about theme. So you can from here you can choose different type of theme. You can try a new look here. You can choose different types of alignment here, different types of look here. So just like this or this, and different types of thing you can go with. Like I like this one. Actually this one is pretty much cool, so I'm going to select this one here. So I'm going to change that theme from here. You can also choose the color pattern if you want. So you can choose the change the color pattern from here. You can change the you can change the fonts here. The fonts, you can find different types of font. It will change all the fonts, all the each and every font that you have on your website. So just like this, you can change it like this, or you can find different types of interesting font style that you can use. Yeah, that's pretty much cool. Or I can just make it before I just choose this one. Yes, and just like this, you can also choose the secondary font here. So I'm going to choose a secondary font just like this, and you can find different types of font and their previews from here. Then after talk about fonts, you can add buttons here. So primary buttons, like explore your collection here, like it has just added a button here, so you can find all the buttons. So simply click on it, and you can choose the button shape here. So just like you can select this type of button, this or this, or you can select this one, or you can select the transparent one here from here. This is pretty much cool. So I'm going to take this. I'm going to choose this one, and the secondary button, you can choose the secondary button from here. So I'm going to choose the secondary button like Yes, this one, the and from store you can buy some buy some widgets that will help your website to grow more and look interesting and perfect. And now from here let's move toward the edit or the customization on your website. Like you can edit each and every part of your web page here. So I'm going to edit like something here, and you can also add some new pages here. Like, let's continue with this section here in web builder. So here you can see the site navigation. This is one of most important part to customize or manage your web pages. So from here, for example, if you have any store page, or for example if you have any page like new page, you want to add a page. For that you have to upgrade to the premium plan to add a page from here, or you can add drop down menu, or you can add a new page here. But right now I'm going to edit a page from here. So for here you can edit a page, the privacy policy page. So I'm going to convert this page into like category. Yeah, where I can just post the category of my t-shirts here. So you can simply customize the page here. You can click on show in navigation, so it will appear in your navigation section, so people can easily access your this category page here. So in footer you can set it to show it in your footer section of your web page, and you can make it private page that no one can access your page, but Google crawler can crawl your private page, but it will only visible to you. You also can delete a page from here. Now simply click on done after customization here. Now you can add chats from here. You can simply click on chats. It will add a live chat that you can edit, like conversational settings. So you can click on settings here, so you can just set up this live chat or integrate that live chat with your account, so you can get that message directly to you. Like enable chat widgets and contact email inbox. So here from here you can connect your email. You can simply click on it, and here is the customer support. This is actually default. You can simply click on create new inbox, and it will redirect you where you can create some inbox here or newsletter if you want. So for that you have to purchase the premium plan from here. So I'm going to skip that right now. This is for the beginner. Actually this is actually a beginner friendly tutorial, so you can get all the idea about all of this from here. Now go to the home page here. So you can edit each and every section, every particle here, every part of this web page. You can change the image from here. I'm going to change that image, like click on it. Now you can add an image if you want, so from your system. So for that you have to click on add image. Now you can add an image from your computer or any of system that you are currently using, just like this. Now after choosing that image you can edit it if you want. So you can crop it, you can change the color, or if you click on insert then it will immediately insert that image. But here you can see the image is much cropped here, so you can simply click on edit, or you can change the ratio of that photo, so like this. Yes, it pretty much cool that fit perfectly that image. So you can try to change the ratio of that photo to sometimes it actually fit the photos perfectly on your web page. So it's looking pretty much cool right now, I think. Now from here you can change each and every text part if you want. So for that you have to plan for that, what you want to show, what you want to make visible to your customers that can attract them to buy t-shirt or buy product from your web page. They can interact with you. Now from web page you can simply also at the downside here, so here you can see button. So for that, if you want to delete any of the part on your web page, you can simply click on this three dot button. You have to hover over that part and you can simply click on delete section, and you can simply click on delete button here, and it will delete that section easily for you. Also otherwise, if you use this arrow icon, it will move it upward, or this is actually a downward button that will move this section downward. You can change the color of the section like this, or you can just change the color from here. Now you can duplicate that section by click on this duplicate section button, or you can move that section to another page if you want. So and Down here you can find maps, so you can edit this map from here. You can connect the address, you can add the address, or you can connect your business on Google. You can list your business on Google. For that you have to create an account on My Business. Now from here you can find the footer section, where this is actually one of the important thing, that you can list each and every page, and something like your contact details and other, your privacy policy section, you can list it in this section. So for that you have to customize it. Now from here in footer section you are able to use this copyright claim here. Now you can add social media account or site navigation. Also you can add the site navigation. So that's how you can simply customize it. So you can just explore one by one, and it's pretty simple to update or upgrade your website, web page, or customize your web page. So it's depend upon you, that how you want to show your web page to your customers. So that's all actually for today. You can get a guide from this GoDaddy themselves, so they will help you to create a much impressive and impactful web page. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out the affiliate link down in our description box. Thanks for watching. Till next time.